Do you want to be able to add highlights on Instagram without posting on your story? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to get this function, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Instagram app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app and I'm also on my profile right now. So you need to firstly come to your profile right here. So basically what we need to do to be able to unlock this function is to actually contact the Instagram customer support so that they can actually open up this feature for us. So to be able to do this, then you need to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. Now in here I'm just going to scroll all the way down and then I'm going to click where it says help. So click on help in here, and then what we need to do after that is to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem in here. Once again click on report a problem, because then you should be taken here. I'm going to click on include and continue, as you can see. And perfect, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, and in here we're able to contact the Instagram customer support and they will be able to unlock this feature for us. So you need to write exactly like this to Instagram. So you need to write like this: I want to be able to post on my highlights without posting on my story first. My story first. So write exactly like this: I want to be able to post on my highlights without posting on my story first. And now when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. So click on send. And as you can see, thank you, your feedback helps us make, basically it's a standard message that they send. What you need to do after that basically is to now wait like 1 to 2 business days, then go back into your Instagram app and see if that will actually work for you now. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.